Welcome to Reader's Workshop. We're ready to start day 4 in our work for today. And I'm hoping that you enjoyed the first 2 sections of the book that we read yesterday, because we're going to finish that reading today. And I'm also hoping that you're feeling a little empowered. When we read about strong, smart kids that work to make change in our world, it hopefully will get you to think about ways that you can help impact the people that live around you and also make positive change in our world. Okay, so if you remember, you found the first part of this book in Benchmark yesterday, and it will still be there. You'll be reading from the same book. Okay, but we'll be reading the second 2 parts of the book. So looking out for people and making change. Okay, so you can see a picture of those 2 articles here. Right, and remember, you can always listen or read on your own, whichever you're the most comfortable with. All right, and then we're working on our comprehension as we work through nonfiction reading or an informational text. So when you're all done reading, you are going to check in Schoology because you're going to have these 2 questions to answer. And remember, good readers go back and look in the text. Okay, so it's okay. It's okay to go back and look to help answer these 2 questions. It says on page 15, what is the main idea of the section, Brianna's Law? Which details help support the main idea? And then question number 2, what can you infer about what motivated students to change laws in Utah Youth Fights Pollution? Which clues helped you draw that inference? Right, we've been working on that quite a bit, about making an inference, watching what people in the story do and what they say. We're going to make an inference about why they did what they did. All right, so you'll be using Benchmark today, and you'll also be using a Kami document in Schoology. Enjoy the story.